All right, we're going to use the solver and analysis Toolpak, which are really nice things for Excel in this exercise. So this is our file, which I have already downloaded and opened, and we want to enable the content in the security warning. So we're going to install solver and the analysis Toolpak. We're going to go to File Options and Add-ins, and select the solver add-in, solver, and select the analysis Toolpak. Okay, solver's there. The analysis Toolpak was already there. So we're going to click the workout plan sheet and 5 activities are summed to count the calories. This includes the sum function. So there we go. Average calories burned. There we go. We've used a sum. How many times per week and how many calories. We're going to select cells D5 through D9, D5 through 9. And we're going to click the What If Analysis button and select the Scenario Manager. It's on the Data tab. What If Analysis, and select Scenario Manager. We're going to click Add, and we're going to type Basic Plan. As the name, and we're going to set changing cells box to display D5 to D9, which it already does because we had them selected, and we're going to hit OK. Now, don't edit the scenario values and hit OK. Now we're going to click Add, another scenario, and we're going to type double as the name, changing the cells, and keep the changing cells as D5 to D9, and click OK. Now we're changing the values, we're doubling them. Shock, right? Tab will take you through those, and it's a lot easier than clicking, and we're going to click OK. And then we're going to click Close. And we're going to use solver to find the maximum calorie burn. And we're going to click the solver button, Data tab Analysis Group. Now I'm going to tell you that sometimes you have to close Excel and then reopen it in order for everything to show up. So I am going to hit pause here, and I'm going to close and reopen and see if that solves the issue of the solver button not being there. Okay, I'm going to go back over here to File Options and show you what I did not do. Add-ins. And it doesn't show solver add-in right there, and you need to hit Go button here. And when you hit Go, then it will tell you you want the solver add-in. And I'm going to hit Cancel because I got it. And now I have the solver button. And it's not a problem. So we're going to click the solver button and select E10, the cell with the sum formula. And make sure that max is set on the radio buttons. And by changing variables in cells D7, D5 to D7, so I can click here and then D5 to D7 to D7, is that what it said? D5 to D7, it did say that. We're going to add constraints. Click Add to the right of the Subject to Constraints. Select D5 in the cell reference box, D5, and choose int as the operator. The constraint box displays integer that is required that the result be a whole number. Click Add to each of the constraints shown here. Add D5 is less than or equal to 4. Add D5 is greater than or equal to 2. Add D6 int, D6 int, add D6 less than or equal to 3. Add D6 is greater than or equal to 1. Add D7 is an integer. Add D7 is less than or equal to 4. Add D7 is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Cell reference box is empty or contents are not valid. Cell reference. There we go. Okay. Now, there we go. And it looks like our picture. We're going to click Save Scenario in the solver results. Click Solve. It says a solution displays and the solver dialog box is still up, but the dialog box is not still up. What do you know? It was. It just had gone behind. So we want to save the solver results as a scenario. Keep solver results. So click Save Scenario in solver results. Save scenario. And we're going to type solver as the scenario name. And click OK to return to the solver results dialog. Select Restore Original Values button. Restore Original Values. And click OK. Now we're going to create a scenario summary report. We're going to click the What If Analysis button, Data tab, Forecast Group. Data tab, Forecast Group, What If Analysis button, and select Scenario Manager. We're going to click the Summary button. And we're going to select the cells D5 to D9 in the results cells box. D5 to D9. Type a comma and E10. E10. Click OK to create a report. And there is our report. And it looks just like the one in the picture. Yay! So now we're going to create a one variable data table to calculate the total calories if dinner calories are adjusted. So we're going to click the Calorie Journal tab. And this is the sum of the calories for the day here, all of them, and then the sum of the calories for each individual one. We're going to select cell E15, E15, right there. The formula for the data table must be one column to the right and one row above the first input value. So we're going to type equal and click in cell I5 and press enter. I5, enter. Select cells D15 to E23 as the data range. D15 to E23. Click the What If Analysis button and choose Data Table. What If Analysis, Data Table. Click the column input cell and select G5. G5. That was row input, not column input. So, Control X, Control V. And click OK. And there we go. That looks just like the picture. Now we're going to create a two variable data table to calculate total calories if both lunch and dinner calories are adjusted. We're selecting cell L15, L15. So that is L16. I want L15. I am now in L15. Type equals I5. I5. And press enter. Select cells L15 to T23. So now in L16, L15 to T23. And click the What If Analysis button. Data tab, Forecast Group, Data tab, Forecast Group, What If Analysis, Data Table. Select cell E5 for the row input cell box, row input E5, E5. Click the column cell input and select G5, G5. Click OK to build the table. And there we go, looking just like the one in the picture. Now we're going to select cell J1 and insert a page break. J1. So we're going to the Page Layout tab, Page Layout, Page Setup, Group, and insert a page break. There we go. Now we're going to generate descriptive statistics for a rating category. So we're going to click the Dental Insurance tab and click the Data Analysis button. Data tab, Analysis Group, Data Analysis. And we're going to select Descriptive Statistics and click OK. Select cells E4 to E35 for the input range. So E4 to E35. Ah, messed that up, didn't I? There we go. I'll do it backwards. There. E4 to E35. And that is what it says, E4 to E35. Select labels in the first row box. Labels in the first row, right there. Select the output range button. Oh, output range. And select cell G4, G4. And click OK. Oh, haha. Summary statistics. And click OK. There we go. And autofit column G. There we go. Save and close and upload. Close. Save. Upload. Yes, submit my file. All right, I got an 82 on that one. And it looks like Calorie Journal does not have a formula, so something in cell E15. Okay. There we go. So I got 9 out of 11 and missed those 2 points. And I've got to say that I'm not sure without looking back at it exactly what went wrong. And if you have trouble with it and you can't get it to work, you get a hold of me and we'll work it out.